Top 10 NLP Techniques Part 1. NLP is a very interesting system, and is worth researching. The top 10 techniques worth learning are as follows. 1. Anchoring is a great technique for calibrating yourself to another person and learning how to elicit a specific response, through touch, sound, or body positioning. Worth learning for sure. 2. Embedded commands. This technique has always fallen under the covered category. It's sometimes called slippery communication. A good embedded command to use is this. When would now be a good time to buy this car? The embedded command is now. But it is slipped into the conversation, rather secretly. 3. Submodalities: auditory, visual, or kinesthetics. These are the three main types of people. Visuals: they sort the world through pictures. And use words like sharp, I see what you mean, light, and other visual type words. Auditory: sort the world through sound, and say things like I hear what you're saying, sounds good to me. And gravitate towards things that make noise. Kinesthetics: speak slowly, and are a bit touchy-feely. They take a bit to process things, so slowing down your language is a good strategy. 4. Swishing: this is a pattern used to combine two or more things into one thing. By swishing you can take a pattern that is working for you and combine it with something that isn't. It's worth the research. See also the Sedona method. 5. Hypnosis: NLP was derived from hypnotic techniques, by such greats as Milton Erickson and many more. So study a little Erickson and you'll be surprised by all you will learn. Stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow.